Hey guys, welcome to YYC Garage. Today we got a new package. Okay, those are the LED license plate lights from Amazon. Okay, we're gonna review them and we'll see how they work after. So first of all, those are the SMD 5 LED lights of Amazon. Cheapo, $4.95. First off, shipping was absolutely horrible. I ordered those November 27th. Today is January 16th, and then just came in. Okay, not impressed, but I don't mind. They finally came. I even forgot about them. So let's have a look at these guys. Okay, so that's how they look like. Okay, so they got 5 LEDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see how they make. Okay, so far they look okay. I can see little imperfections which probably you won't be able to see in the camera, but I can see them with the open eye. Okay. They seem to be cheaply made, but $4.95 you can't expect much more. Overall, I mean, from close up, imperfections from far away, they look pretty decent for the price. So I'll be putting them in and we'll see what kind of light it gives out. We'll compare it with the ones that are currently in my matrix. In the matrix there are just a regular bulb that you can buy at any auto store, so they're not LEDs, so just the yellow ones. So we'll compare with these ones. Okay guys, so this is the regular bulbs, the stock ones that came with the car. Okay, now we're gonna be changing it and we'll see how the LEDs look like. Okay guys, so on the matrix and Pontiac Vibe, this is how you get in to the license plate lights. Okay, it's through the rear hatch. Once you get through the rear hatch, you'll see one of your light bulb is there, and the other one is on that side here. Okay, so you just gotta twist them and turn, and they should come right out. So if you twist and turn them, here you go, that's gonna come out. Okay, so that's how they look on the outside. Okay, they're pretty bright. Can't complain for the price we pay for it, but hey, let me stick them in and we'll see how they look like actually on the license plate. So once you're done, you just put back the clip. Like I said, it's very simple. It doesn't take a whole lot of time at all. Okay, so that's how they actually look. Okay. Not as bright as I thought they would be, but still got a better look than the yellow light. However, if you ask me, I think this one is more of the brighter and wider light than the other one. You see, there's a little hint of the yellow on that one for some reason. So overall, you've seen how it came from the package. The shipping was horrible. Like I said, I can't believe how long it took. In the end, they should be both the same, but they're not. One is more white, one has a hint of yellow to it. I don't know why. Hey, but for $4, what you can expect, right? Still looks better than the factory yellow ones. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook. Till the next time. Thanks for watching.